Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up the Nearby Share on your Honor 50 Lite. So first you need to open the control panel on your device and find here Nearby Share. I have here Honor Share, but we need Nearby Share. So tap and hold on it. And cool, wait a while, you'll see this message that share more easily with your contacts. Tap on it. Wait a while, scroll down and click agree. Cool, now you can change your device name. For example, I want to name my device like Hearts Honor. Click rename. Cool. Now choose device visibility mode. I suggest you use everyone mode. In this mode, everyone can see your device and can send you data. And you can change your data usage mode. Here we have without internet, only Bluetooth mode, Wi-Fi only mode, or data, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi mode. I suggest you use data mode. And cool, now we can activate Nearby Share. And now we can send and receive data. For example, I want to share an image from another device. And to do this, on another device, click Share button and choose Nearby Share. Wait a while, and your device will appear here. If your device not appears, you need to enable GPS location, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So enable location, and cool. Now you can see that we see here Hearts Honor device. So click on it and you will see accept button. Click on it. And cool, image was successfully sent. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.